As I'm speaking to the customers and prospects in mid-market, Salil, I'm hearing them talk about transformation at speed. I'm hearing them talk about their expectations of efficiency. I'm curious to know what's your observations and how are you looking at the expectations from our customers?
What I'm seeing is things that are resonating in our customer bases. They are looking for someone who has an end-to-end offering instead of having functional silos. The second thing they're looking is that they want partners who have a history of having done this before. And lastly, I would say is they are also looking for someone who has a global model, because in the end, speed and cost matter for these transformation projects. So these are three things that I am seeing which are resonating in the middle market that we are going after.
Double the velocity and half the cost has been our mantra for the last few quarters. Customers are loving this. Everyone's intrigued as to how are we driving this initiative in their organization.
Good question. I think it's really very simple. It's through our three interconnected pillars. The first one being cloud and agile infrastructure, where we design the best optimized infrastructure. The second is our business platforms, where we would create, implement custom applications. And lastly, it's about experiences, whether it's customer or employee, which allows us to get higher productivity. All this powered through data and security and our AIX Ops platform. Together, these pieces create a spectacular flywheel. Think of it like this: cloud powers the apps justify the infrastructure investment, great experiences drive adoption, and finally, security keeps our customers in the business. And this is how we make IT a strategic differentiator for our customers. This is the power of MxP.
Experience has always been the center at Synoptek. We talk about XLAs.
Exactly. We always say it is not about an SLA, but about an XLA. And let's just see XLA in action. There was a project which you remember last year we both were discussing, and it went live and we were so happy and all of that. But the customer made a very, very interesting insight comment. They said that we are happy because you were able to drive the business benefit. So that was the X in that XLA. There was another example which was just happened last year, which in that case, the user was very, very happy because they said this was the first time such transformation project. In another instance, the X was that we were able to drive user adoption of our new systems. So it was no more a shelfware. Quite a heartening thing for us. So those are couple of examples on XLA, which is nothing about SLA, but going above and beyond and making sure that either there is productivity or either it is business objective. One of those two things are achieved.